my god. Jesus, dude. On your fucking meals, lady. Right. Oh, Jesus.
Back in my groove, shadow boxing the devil blindfolded. I stick and move when there's way too many vultures in the room. Check it, I've been that nigga since I hopped above the porch. Of course, it's that pretty motherfucker with the torture. All welcome. The apple never gets too far from the tree. It fell from the rose that grew from concrete on this album. Hey, you
how's the car there, dude? For fuck's sake.
I never lack. I'm more focused than
idiot.
Never relax. Semi-detached. Pack bags, hit the high road, renovate for the better. On the chance of hell that I can get recognition in heaven.
There. There we go. Hi. Good.
And holy fuck, I just got flown by a Honda Accord coupe. And a police car! Oh, he's fucked! He's fucked! He's fucked! Oh, he's so fucked!
Shit. Whoa, buddy, Jesus Christ. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, dude, what is that?
As we continue the voyage in the southern world, that's the
Get your dog out of the road, lady. Get your dog out of the middle of the fucking road! Buddy, what are you doing? light.
Years, at least. It's been 3 months! I get doctors see a lot of people, and, you know, you might not be a terribly... Yeah, but it's me! Remarkable. Well, that's what I was getting to, is you might not be the most, like, interesting patient. Like, I'm sure they remember people with, like, weird illnesses, right? Because you're like, oh, I remember that. That was an interesting case.
You do it! That's why! Idiot. No, I was very intentional.
God, everybody.
Yeah, this road is insane. What are you doing? Big noises.
Oh, almost.
Who's good?
He was pretty good. He was not bad.
Okay, who's good?
I'll tell you before we roll what ends up popping up. If it ends up being a tie, it'll be really funny because right now I rolled one of the numbers 7 times and the other only 2. Which drastically could have changed the score.
I think I know what's on.
So I'm glad you guys picked different ones. All right, well, we got 2 wheel spins here. Let's see what we get.
Come on, 8 the most.
Oh. Dropped the most items. Is that me from dropping my dice? That was intentional. I was throwing the dice. I've been fidgeting with this the whole time, and I've dropped it several times.
I've dropped these cheeses down my gullet.
All right, Bob, you get that.
All right.
All right, one more spin. Best comeback.
I guess it's whoever picked the number that has the right one.
Yeah, is this based purely on points?
He was homeless.
He was homeless on the street.
Hi, buddy.
What you doing?
Okay.
Oh, he was the shirtless dude on the street.
Okay, but like. Oh my god. Dude.
This is very much a theme of it.
Totally.
Wow.
I mean, okay, I just want to say, like, right off the bat, it is a valid point to be upset with the system and to feel like, in a moment, kind of sneaky.
It's like the symbols you see when you go to the bathroom, but
doing
in...
I mean, there's some wild positions. That right there, the woman with her legs up and a guy going down on her.
Yeah.
Oh.
Things to be alive, and I will try with every right to come
Okay, just alright. Holy crap, guys.
VFX is, holy shit, is it boring? My God, it is monotonous and tedious, and those people that do it don't get enough respect for what they do because, oh my God, this stuff is tedious.
Did you angle your...
Did I say this in a way that makes any fucking sense? Okay, I was like, wait a minute, what did I just say? Heads, you go first. Tails, I go first. I think you declared heads marks for, tails bops against is what you declared. you just heads I win, tails you win. Alright, we're redoing this. Wait a minute. No, yeah, that's fair, okay, yeah. Whichever side lands, it's for the first couple. And tails is around and looking around suspiciously, and we couldn't tell if they were stealing other people's clothes from like the little laundry area or if they were bringing their own. But either way, they looked suspicious as fuck while they were doing it. So we were afraid of doing our laundry because we thought if we left it for a minute, the clothes thieves would strike. What did they look like?
fucking deer.
Take exit 51.